In this video, we'll show you how to reset the oil life on your Ford F-150. Let's get started. We can turn our key to the second position in the ignition without starting the engine. Using our OK button on the left side of the steering wheel and our toggles, we can hit OK and get through all of our warning screens. We'll scroll down to Settings and select Vehicle. From there, we can scroll down and get to Oil Life Reset. Select Oil Life Reset and select Set to 100%. Hold the OK button and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.